What's up, guys? Welcome back to Roddy's Rides. I'm your host, Roddy, and we are back today with the most hated 3.7 on the internet. So, it doesn't look like we've done too much, but this is actually the new motor. I swapped on my old water pump because this is one of the biggest things that usually fails on these motors, causing the motors to grenade. So if you don't already know, these factory ones come with a plastic internal. This is a metal, so it's a lot more beefy. So other thing that we have done is we have swapped the pan, because I can't remember if I showed you guys, but the other one is spider cracked all the way out the bottom. So if you don't know, that will not hold oil. This is the stock flywheel and clutch that I actually ran on my other car. So Spec or any clutch company, if you're watching this, please help your boy out. I am broke. But yeah, now we got an audience ready to put in the motor. Me and Sean are already exhausted and we haven't even touched the car yet. So the goal is to put this in and maybe I can have a daily driver again. So ready, boys? Everyone knows my motto, right? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's
get wrenching.
Well, almost there.
No clue.
I'm not a big YouTuber, so let's get cranking.
Let's get cranking.
All right, that's better. All right, I'm just quickly wiping it down. So I've done motor swaps before, but I was expecting a lot dirtier of an engine. So I've done motor swaps before, but I was expecting a lot more grime. So coming in, I mean, you can tell this is dirty, but like, this is me just wiping it. Like, I mean, it definitely is a life and day difference, but like, I'm surprised that's a lot dirtier. So I'm gonna wipe this off. I think I'm gonna spray off inside the transmission, wipe this side, and then we're gonna get started. But, ready? New stick, ready? Yeah, yeet, and transition. Zoom.
Alright, you ready for me to come out?
Yeah, just keep going slow.
Austin, Texas. Oh, takedown! RKO out of nowhere.
Oh shit. Oh shit, is that it?
I think it's close, yeah.
Alright, so I can't tell if I lost some footage because yesterday I went to go rewatch some of the footage and I was like, but I think I might just be a little slow because I actually have, my SIM card has like, I don't know how to put this, but let's just put it this way. For me, normally to download a video from the SIM card to the laptop would take like 10-15 minutes, but now it's on the computer and it's going to take an hour and 45. So that shows how long I was time-lapsing. Okay, I'm getting sidetracked. Okay, so yesterday I knocked out transmissions bolts. We got the motor stab, the wiring harness is put on. All I have to do is the supercharger stuff and the coolant. And I've already done this a million times before, but I'm trying to fight the rain, and the goal is to put all this together, test drive the car for 30 or 40 minutes, and then take it back up to Steamville. 200, well, less than 200 mile trip, but that's the goal. So I'm gonna quit talking and get started. So we skipped all the way here, but you guys know the basics. You put it in the battery, it's fully charged. Hopefully the patch system is not going to be pissed off. If you don't know what that is, that's like the anti-theft. So, all right, you ready? Anything else you can think of? Holy sh! I know. All right, you hold it. It can never be easy, huh? All right, watch out, Steve. All right, that should be good enough. All right, oh God.
Remember the fuel pump's got a prime.
You want to take out the fuse then?
No.
All right, I'll just prime it like this. Alright, first startup. Oh God, this is so stressful. I hope to God this all goes good. Ready? Dang. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hey, by any chance, do you remember what you did with that one orange O-ring that we popped out that got stuck? I cruised down the street a little bit. She runs again, baby. Hell yeah. Doug, if you're watching this, man, I apologize. I have not got new spark plugs in it yet, and not new O2 sensors, but it's been 3 weeks, and I miss this car so much. And I'll be bringing it back to you to get it tuned and refreshed up, but I got to take it easy for a little bit, and I got to keep this as the daily until I can get another daily. But oh my God, I'm so happy. I can't describe my emotions right now, and like, I'm not trying to be a little girl, but like, a motor swap is easy, quote unquote, but it's just, you just don't consider how much actually goes into a motor swap. And for all those people that are like, oh my God, you put the supercharger back on, I'm gonna keep doing me. Like, no one's gonna ever stop me. I'm gonna do what makes me happy, and I'm just gonna keep going from there. One of the biggest things I always said when I was a kid was, well, I used to say this to my parents when I was younger, which is probably not the best thing to take from, but I used to say something on the lines of, you can take away all my toys, you can take away my Xbox, my screens, but you'll never be able to take away my smile. And I want to relate that to all of you who are watching this today. And it might be a few of you, it might be a lot of you. I don't know, but Godspeed, people. Godspeed. So, if you guys didn't believe in me, I don't know what you guys were doing. You guys were clearly doing something wrong. So, first of all, I can't say thank you enough to my dad. Thank you, Dad, for helping me. And all I have to say is, in Roddy we trust, right? But the car's running, it's idling great, the best it's literally ever felt. So I never stepped on it because I'm kind of scared, not gonna lie. Not because of the power, just because I don't want to blow another motor, because I'm this far in time invested in all this, and I'm just waiting on the intercooler. So once I get the intercooler on and I feel a little bit more comfortable driving this car around, I really wanted, my goal was to actually get the car up and finished for today, to bring it back up to Stephenville and put those miles on it. But I should probably just leave it here, take it easy, play it safe, and just make sure the car's not being potentially damaged. And with it sitting here, it'll just be sitting here waiting for me to come back and actually start putting more work and time into it. So I lost a little bit of motivation, but I'm really happy on how this came out. I was actually a little worried because the first lap around, when we got back, it was puffing smoke, and I was like, did I just blow? No. It was just all the oil left over in the exhaust. So it burned all that out, and now it's sitting there, and it's sitting happy. And I had my misconception of like, not of me not liking the car, but now that the car's all back together, this is such a freaking sick car. But guys, if you haven't already, please go down and subscribe. I have a lot more further content coming out for this, and go smash the like button. With that being said, Roddy's Rides out of here.